With drugs and alcohol, probably should talk with your doctor about that.
As I get older, like when my friends, like when there's more parties and like drinking and stuff, I can't really do those things. So I have to be like a lot careful, so it kind of has impacted that a little bit.
Like, you are allowed to drink after your transplant, but you have to know the limits.
You're allowed to have alcohol if you're over the age of 19, except for Quebec, it's 18.
Like, just drink water. Like, your kidney, you gotta keep it working good.
This is what they told me when I was younger. If you have 1 cup of water, half a beer, another cup of water, half a beer, and another cup of water, to get all flush through your system.
Try not to mix alcohol with your meds. Like, make sure you try to take your meds before you go out drinking. And if you were drinking with your meds, try to remember the exact time to take them.
Just don't overdrink.
Anything else, you know, ask your doctor.
I would never advise taking illegal drugs with medication, because that will probably, that's not a lot, but yeah, a lot of people get really failing like organs and stuff is from drugs and drinking. So
I would say, like, really, like, think about it. Like, do you want this for yourself? Like, do you want to stay healthy, or do you want to have to go back and go through the whole process of getting like a surgery again? Like, really think about it. Like, you want to live for a long time, and you want to stay healthy.